powered ramp requires at least 15 feet of space for safety and optimal performance. An electrically powered ramp is operated from the control panel located in the rear door. To deploy the ramp, raise the approach plate and latch it in place. Be sure the area behind the trailer is free and clear of any obstacles. Press and hold the ramp down button to extend the ramp from the trailer to the ground. You will see the main ramp actuators inside the trailer begin moving first, followed by the fold actuators in the ramp itself about 10 seconds later. Continue holding the button until the main actuators stop extending and are positioned over the yellow indicator stickers. The control panel will beep to indicate that the ramp has fully deployed. Note that the ramp feet may contact the ground before the ramp is fully deployed, but it is important to continue pressing the button until it beeps. Unlatch the approach plate and unfold it. To store the ramp, fold up the approach plate and secure the latch in place. Press and hold the ramp up button on the panel. The main ramp actuators will begin first, followed by the fold actuators about 4 seconds later. The fold section will roll on the ground a short distance until the main section picks it up. The fold section will continue to close and tuck itself in tight to the main ramp. Once the main ramp is fully stored in the trailer, unlatch the approach plate and lower it so that the ramp is in the proper transport position. Attempting to close the rear trailer doors with the approach plate latched up can damage the trailer. Periodic maintenance of the ramp should be performed weekly during performance season and includes checking for any loose fasteners on the underside of the ramp planks. Cycle the ramp partially, checking fasteners and tightening any loose bolts as necessary with a 1/2-inch socket wrench. Once inspection is complete, fully extend the ramp, then cycle back to the transport position.